Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing the exact assertion message and where it occurs. This is crucial because the line and module narrow the root cause. Once done, close the crashing program and open Task Manager to confirm no orphan processes remain, then check Event Viewer for related errors to build context. Make sure you have an administrator account available and create a system restore point. That lets you revert changes if a deeper fix is needed, so proceed only after these diagnostics are ready. You now repair the libraries most commonly at fault. Go to Programs and Features and repair every Visual C++ redistributable you find, prioritizing matching bitness, x86 versus x64. Next, run system integrity checks, sfc/scano, followed by dism restore heals corrupted system files that lead to runtime failures. If you have development tools installed, enable first chance exceptions in the debugger and reproduce the assert to see the failing call. You finish by updating the application and retesting. If that fails, perform a clean reinstall under a new user profile to rule out profile corruption. Make sure to roll back any recent driver or Windows updates that coincide with the failure, or use the restore point you made earlier to revert system state. If the assert persists, collect a minidump, include event viewer entries and redistributable versions, and escalate to the software vendor for a code-level fix. This evidence speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.